Well, Pablo was a country boy who used to help out on the farm. And when they moved into the city, it didn't do him any harm. On the streets of Medellín, he soon rose through the ranks with his quantities of contraband and doing business with the Yanks. Vast network of safe houses, they were always on the run from conspiratory forces they could never overcome. A latter-day style Robin Hood, his name became folklore, but the evil far outweighed the good as Pablo waged his war.
With the whole world on his tail, he was vilified and demonized on a brand new global scale. No fair trial for one so vile, both governments agreed. With an ambush highly organized, this time they would succeed. But the people loved him to the end because he shared his wealth. He built homes for the destitute and